Have you ever gone to bed feeling completely fine, only to wake up the next morning, swallow, and instantly feel like your throat is coated in a layer of thick, heavy glue? You clear your throat once, you try to cough, hoping a little bit of force will move it, but it simply refuses to budge. Throughout the day, this invisible presence interrupts your conversations, makes your voice sound rough, and leaves you feeling deeply embarrassed in public. You have probably tried commercial syrups, sugary lozenges, or over-the-counter medications, and if they give you any relief at all, it lasts for just a fleeting moment before that thick curtain of mucus comes dropping right back down. If this sounds exactly like what you're dealing with on a daily basis, I want you to know right now that you are not alone, and you need to stop what you're doing and listen very closely. Before we take another step into the science of what is happening inside your body, go down to the comments section of this video right this second and write this exact phrase: I deserve a clear throat. By typing that, you are making a conscious decision to stop putting up with constant physical discomfort and helping us build a space where we can talk openly about these frustrating bodily mysteries. While you are down there typing your comment, please take a brief second to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and turn your notifications completely on. Subscribing to this channel is the absolute best way you can directly support the creation of this educational content, helping us reach thousands of other people around the world who are desperately searching for simple, lifestyle-focused answers. Hello, my dear friends. My name is Leonard Brown, and today we are going to look into something that frustrates millions of people every single day, yet very few ever get a clear, honest medical explanation for. We're going to talk about how to completely eliminate that persistent, sticky phlegm from your throat without relying on synthetic medications or temporary quick fixes that actually end up making your symptoms worse over time. Many of my patients arrive at my office completely resigned, saying, "Doctor, I guess it's just age, and this constant throat clearing's just my new normal now." But today I am standing here to tell you with complete confidence that this is absolutely not the full truth. That persistent mucus is a distinct signal that your body is currently out of balance. What we need to do today is understand exactly how to restore that natural balance using a highly strategic, 4-step daily protocol that works because it aligns perfectly with your body's built-in defense mechanisms. To truly understand how we're going to get rid of this issue, we first have to realize that mucus is not actually your enemy. Think of it as a highly dedicated, protective messenger. Your entire respiratory tract is constantly exposed to the outside world. Every single breath you take carries dust, pollen, bacteria, and viruses. To prevent infections, your body naturally lines these airways with a thin, slippery layer of mucus that acts like a built-in sticky trap, designed explicitly to catch these invaders before they cause harm. In a healthy body, millions of microscopic, hair-like structures called cilia act exactly like tiny brooms. These tiny brooms constantly sweep that thin layer of mucus upward, away from your lungs, toward the back of your throat where you naturally and completely unconsciously swallow it throughout the day. It slides down into your stomach, where your stomach acid completely destroys whatever was trapped inside it. When your internal environment is balanced, this entire defensive highway works so smoothly and silently that you never even realize it is running. The real trouble begins the exact moment that natural balance is lost. This breakdown happens in one of two ways. Either your body starts producing a massive overload of mucus as an emergency response, or the physical consistency of the mucus changes entirely, transforming from a thin lubricant into a thick, sticky, stubborn gel. Imagine a major highway during rush hour. If there are suddenly too many cars, or if slow-moving trucks block the lanes, everything comes to a complete standstill. That exact internal traffic jam is what you are physically feeling when you sense mucus stubbornly stuck at the back of your throat. The non-stop coughing and the constant carraspeo are simply your body's mechanical attempts to clear that traffic blockage. When my patients tell me that they think this traffic jam is just a natural consequence of getting older, I always explain to them that while our bodies undergo physiological changes over time, discomfort is never a requirement of aging. As the decades pass, our mucous membranes naturally tend to become a little bit drier, and our brain's internal thirst signals naturally begin to dull. this leads to mild chronic dehydration, which instantly turns that healthy mucus into a sticky gel. But realizing this is actually incredibly good news, because it means the problem is simply a fluid dynamics issue that we can directly control. To fix this, we must look at where this excess fluid is actually coming from, because the phlegm you are feeling typically originates from two very specific locations. The first source is your paranasal sinuses. When your sinuses become irritated by environmental allergies or dry air, they begin to overproduce fluid that slowly drips down the back of your nasal passage and lands directly into your throat, a process known as postnasal drip. The second source is the localized mucus glands, residing right inside the lining of your throat itself. These glands are highly reactive. The second they detect any form of local irritation, whether from a minor lingering viral infection, environmental pollutants, or even microvapors of acid rising up from your stomach through silent reflux, they immediately go into high alert defense mode. They start pumping out extra muco to coat and shield the irritated area. But here is where the tragic, vicious cycle begins, and it is the exact reason why what you are currently doing is likely making it so much worse. For your throat's natural cleaning system to work, that defensive mucus must remain thin and fluid. But when you become dehydrated, breathe dry indoor air, or consume specific trigger foods, that protective fluid loses its water content and thickens up until it has the consistency of heavy gelatin. Once it reaches that thick state, it becomes far too heavy for those tiny cellular brooms to move, anchoring itself firmly to the sensitive walls of your throat. Your body detects this stuck mass as an irritation, and because its only defense mechanism is to produce mucus, it mistakenly commands the glands to pump out even more secretions to try and wash the old stuck muco away. If your system is still dehydrated, that brand new muco instantly thickens up too, adding yet another layer of heavy gelatin to the existing pileup. It is like trying to clean up spilled industrial glue by pouring more industrial glue right on top of it. This brings us to the absolute turning point of our discussion today, where we are going to look at the exact 4-step protocol to completely shatter this vicious cycle from the inside out. Step 1. Take consistent, deliberate sips of warm water every 20 minutes throughout your entire day. I want to be incredibly specific about this. The temperature and the timing of the water change everything. If you are chugging a massive glass of ice-cold water once every few hours, you are actually working against your body. Cold water causes the local blood vessels to instantly constrict and physically chills the mucus, causing that gel to become even firmer and harder to move. On the flip side, intensely hot liquids can cause microburns and thermal irritation, triggering those glands to produce even more defensive coating. Warm water is the absolute sweet spot. When you take small, frequent, rhythmic sips of warm water every 20 minutes, you provide your body with a continuous stream of systemic hydration to dilute that thick gel from the inside out, while providing a gentle, external thermal rinse that physically breaks down the structural bonds of the sticky gel on contact. Step 2. Perform a precise warm salt water gargle 3 times every single day. Dissolve exactly 1/2 teaspoon of high-quality salt into a full glass of comfortably warm water and gargle it continuously for at least 30 seconds. The salt water solution acts as a hypertonic rinse, meaning it gently draws excess, trapped fluid out of your inflamed throat walls, rapidly reducing the puffiness that makes you feel like you have a physical lump stuck in your neck. Furthermore, the mechanical vibration created when you gargle acts exactly like a gentle pressure washer, breaking apart that sticky mask of muco that has glued itself to your mucosal lining without causing an ounce of damage to the underlying tissue. Step 3. Sleep with the upper half of your body deliberately elevated, using 2 or 3 firm pillows. To understand why this is completely non-negotiable, we have to look at how gravity dictates the movement of fluids when you lie down. When you are upright, gravity naturally and smoothly coaxes sinus fluids down your throat and into your digestive tract completely unnoticed. But the exact moment you lie completely flat on your back in bed, gravity changes its direction of force. Instead of draining downward, the fluid from your sinuses begins to slowly pool and accumulate, forming a continuous, stagnant drip that lands directly onto the back of your throat all night long. Your throat detects this constant irritation, goes into emergency defense mode, and covers the area in thick secretions. By elevating your head and chest with pillows, you keep your anatomy at a gentle downward slope, allowing gravity to work in your favour all night long so you wake up with a throat that feels clean, light, and comfortably open. Step 4. Completely eliminate all dairy products and intentionally avoid very cold foods and drinks for a minimum of 3 days. I want to clear up a very common piece of medical misinformation here. Dairy does not actually cause the human body to manufacture more mucus out of nowhere. However, dairy products contain a specific protein called casein, which, when it mixes with human saliva, undergoes a rapid chemical reaction that causes your secretions to instantly become incredibly thick, highly viscous, and immensely sticky. When you combine that dairy paste with cold foods or ice-cold drinks, you create a physical disaster zone. The cold temperature temporarily solidifies those fats and thickens the mucous on contact, freezing your cellular brooms. By completely removing all dairy and cold items for just 3 short days, you effectively cut off the chemical thickeners, allowing your mucus to rapidly return to its natural, fluid state. When you follow these 4 simple, completely medication-free steps with absolute consistency, the timeline of how your body responds is beautiful to witness. Within the very first 24 hours, you will notice a massive reduction in the frequency of your daily carraspeo. By the 3rd consecutive day, that deep, heavy sensation of having a physical object permanently stuck in your neck will noticeably diminish. By the time you reach the 5th day, the vast majority of my patients experience a state of complete and total relief. Their voice returns to its natural tone, the morning congestion disappears entirely, and they finally remember what it feels like to breathe and swallow with total comfort. Now that you know exactly what to do, it is vital that we address the incredibly common, dangerous behavioural mistakes that millions of well-meaning people make every day, because these mistakes are silently sabotaging your recovery. The absolute single most damaging thing I see people do is trying to force the phlegm out by coughing with immense physical force or aggressively clearing their throat every few minutes. Every single time you clear your throat with that sharp, harsh sound, you forcefully slam your highly delicate vocal cords and mucosal tissues directly against each other with immense pressure. This violent physical impact causes immediate micro-tears and severe inflammation. Your body perceives this trauma as an attack, and because its only way to protect itself is to coat the area, those throat glands immediately go into overdrive, pumping out a massive wave of fresh, thick mucus to cushion the damaged area. It is a completely endless, self-inflicted cycle. You are giving yourself a single second of psychological relief at the expense of profoundly worsening the underlying problem. The second massive mistake is the habit of mindlessly drinking ice-cold liquids throughout the day under the belief that all liquids hydrate equally. While cold water will eventually hydrate your cells on a systemic level, the immediate effect it has as it passes down your throat is completely counterproductive. The intense cold instantly drops the temperature of your mucosal lining, which physically hardens the stuck mucus on contact and causes the local blood vessels to clamp shut, heavily restricting the healthy blood flow your immune system needs to heal the inflamed tissue. You are essentially trying to clean the highway, but freezing the road solid at the exact same time. As we look at these factors, it is also my profound duty as a medical professional to ensure you know exactly how to listen to your body's red flags. If your throat phlegm is accompanied by a persistent high-grade fever, if you begin to experience intense, sharp pain every single time you attempt to swallow plain liquids, or if this heavy mucus production lasts for more than 2 consecutive weeks without showing any signs of improvement despite making all of these healthy lifestyle adjustments, you must consult your trusted physician immediately. These specific symptoms can be clear indicators of an underlying bacterial infection or severe chronic sinusitis that requires targeted clinical diagnosis and treatment. But for the vast majority of you watching this video today, your persistent throat clearings are not a major medical emergency. They are simply the direct result of a highly frustrated, dehydrated, and structurally mistreated respiratory highway that is completely desperate for a little bit of basic coordination and rest. You do not need to seek out complicated, expensive, or invasive treatments to find your way back to comfort. All you truly need to do is show up for your body every single day with absolute consistency, providing it with that continuous stream of small sips of warm water, performing your soothing saltwater gargles 3 times a day, elevating your head gracefully while you sleep, and giving your digestive tract a clean 3-day break from dairy and cold foods. When you stop fighting your body with violent coughing fits, your throat's natural, microscopic cleaning system will finally find its rhythm again, and your body will quietly, efficiently clear its own highway, just like it was beautifully designed to do from the very beginning. Before you close out of this video today and take your very first sip of warm water, I want to invite you one last time to truly become an active part of this growing global health community. If you haven't already done so, please scroll right down to the comments section and type out that powerful sentence: "I deserve a clear throat." Share your own story down there too. Let us know how many months or years you have been dealing with this frustrating caraspeo, because reading your words might be the exact thing that helps another person realize they are not alone. If this comprehensive, humanized explanation helped you understand the inner workings of your own body today, please take a brief second to hit that subscribe button, give this video a generous like, and share it with your friends and loved ones. When you take those simple actions to subscribe and share, you are directly helping us break through the noise of the internet, allowing us to bring these simple, practical, science-based lifestyle tools to millions of everyday people who deserve to live a life free from constant physical discomfort. Thank you so deeply from the bottom of my heart for your valuable time, your continued trust, and your dedication to learning how to truly care for your physical self. It is always an absolute honor, a privilege, and a profound pleasure to accompany you on this beautiful, lifelong journey toward vibrant health and complete, comprehensive well-being.